Hello and welcome to music class. I'm Miss Lianne. I'm so happy that you're here again today. We are talking about music notes. I meant to do that. Now, a music note is when sound goes from a high to a low. What does a little baby kitten sound like?
Meow, meow, meow,
Can you try it?
meow.
Good. Oh, so cute. Oh, cutest little kitten. Do it again. A little kitty makes a high sound. Can you say high sound? Point your fingers up. Say high sound. Now, what about a big green bullfrog? They make a big, low ribbit. Can you try that? Ribbit. Ribbit. Let me hear you. Oh, very good. So a kitten makes a high sound. Point your fingers up. Say high sound. And a bullfrog makes a low sound. Say low sound. Now remember, we started learning about a couple of low sounds. That's right, do and re. And we were using our boom whackers. Now, let me grab my music bag. I meant to do that. What color was the big doe? Red, red, red. That's right. Okay. Cat. But it's red. It's not big. You're right. This is really small. Let's keep looking. Hello, doe. Where are you? Oh, I found it. This is the big red doe, right? It's big. Okay, show me big with your hands. Big. Good job, friends. Okay, we have big red doe. Now let's listen. That's doe. Can you say that? Do, do, do. You try. Do, do, do. Oh, that was so pretty. Do it again. You're getting so good at this. You must be practicing. I thought so. What is the next color? Orange? I've got it. And then what's the name? Ray. That's right. Very good, friends. Okay. Ray. I got it on the first try. This is Ray. Listen to that beautiful sound. Ray, 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 ray. Can we sing that? Ray, 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 ray. The next music note we're going to learn about is yellow. And the sound is going to go higher than the ray. Thanks. No, oh, yeah, I'm sorry. No, okay, it's not. I'm sorry. I'm bad. Okay, let me see. Amy, this one? Yes. Okay, this one is yellow. Do you think that's big or small? Still kind of big, right? Yeah. Not as big as Ray and not as big as Doe. Remember how I said the sound was going to go higher? Let's listen. The name of this music note is me. Me, 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 me. Can you sing that? Me, 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 me. I want to show you where we can play this on our body as well. We are going to go up just a little bit higher from our ankles, and we're going to play me on my knees. Are you ready? Me on my knees. Me on my knees. Are your knees tuned up? You try it. Touch your knees. Go on. Are they both tuned up? Let's see. Me on my knees. Let's all sing. Me on my knees. Very good, friends. So we have toe on our toes. Toe on our toes. You go. Awesome. And then we have Ray on our ankle. You sing it. Beautiful. And then we have me on my knees. Me is spelled M-I. Can you say like you're about to eat a really delicious dinner? You try. Great job. Now let's try it. Me on my knees. Ray on my ankle. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And doe on my toes. Those are our 3 music notes for today. I'll see you next time where we're going to talk about the music note fa. Now, if you are having fun and enjoying this series, please feel free to subscribe. I'm so happy that you're here. I'll see you next time. Bye, friends.